Now on this point of interest, I'm going to remove this canvas dimension. Also open this widget. Oh, let's not do that. In our main map, I'm going to do we have this overlay map, overlay mini map. So we have to get that one right here, and then we have to get this slot canvas panel. So let's get slot canvas slot canvas slot, and then we're going to get this position X. Get no, we have to get this size, not position. We have to get this size, split this pin. Now we have to plug this on canvas dimension. Everything is working fine. That's nice. Now we can remove this node right here, and we have a problem here. Let me show you. I'm going to duplicate this one and place him right here. Now I'm going to add a point of interest. This is going to be Fox. Now I'm going to set 5 seconds, and then it will destroy itself. Now let me show you. We have this character right here. Now if I attack him, here you can see. Now we have to wait. It will disappear automatically. Here you can see it's disappear. Now if I press M, and now if I close, here you can see we have this error right here. So basically, so what is happening here? So in our actor component on event begin play, we store this owner right here. Now we have to do on this actor destroy. When this actor, let me show you, when this actor destroy, and then we have to subtract this owner from our map system. So add point of interest to map system. So we have to remove point of interest in map system. Okay, get this reference, and then we have to remove items. Point of interest owner. Now I'm going to call this map system, and then remove point of interest on map system. Now let's try. Wait for 5 seconds. It's gone. Now we don't have any error here. That's nice. Okay, now I'm going to select all of this, and then let's collapse them into a function. Add point of interest widget to main map. I'm going to plug this right here.